Now, I wanted to make a quick video to say thank you to all of you who have subscribed and watched my videos. I created this channel 2 years ago at the beginning of the pandemic, and I have to say it has been an amazing experience. I read every comment posted from here in North America to as far as India and the Philippines. Amazing! Hey there! I also try to create videos on topics that interest you and that you suggest, and I truly appreciate all your words of encouragement along the way. It really helps to motivate me to keep putting out videos each and every week. So, if you haven't subscribed, please do, and please share my videos so that more people can enjoy my content. I also encourage you to connect with me on LinkedIn, as well as join my Facebook and Instagram page so that you never miss an episode. Yes, those links are below. I am going to keep making videos that go out every Monday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, until then, together, let's solve it like a marketer.